Hi everybody, Tiki Time Gal. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to have a small haul from Hobby Lobby. Went to Hobby Lobby today and picked up a few things that I needed, and I picked up some stuff that was on 90% off clearance from 4th of July. So I picked it up for virtually nothing. So we're just going to go through here and show you the things that I got. I picked up 2 of these packages of the squirt bottles, the little spray bottles, because I needed to finish off the rest of my alcohol inks. I didn't have enough bottles to go around when I did the alcohol inks the other day, so I picked me up 4 more bottles. They were $1.99 for 2, and I think they're 2-ounce bottles. They are 2.768 ounces, so they're 80 milliliter bottles, so a little over 2 ounces. So I picked those up. Then I picked up a Monster Tail Rainbow Loom kit. In this kit comes the instruction manual, the Monster Tail, little finger loom, the hook, a little tray, and some bag of little rainbow loom bands, and a little pack of C-clips to finish your bracelets off with. And I thought that was a pretty good deal. It was $6.99 for this little kit. And I thought it was a pretty good deal for $6.99. Came in this little cute little box. And you can make all kinds of rainbow bands, rainbow bracelets with it. So I picked that up for $6.99. Then I needed some black cardstock because I was out of black cardstock, so I picked up this little pack of 75, and these are 5.5 inch by 7.5 inch, or 1397 centimeters by 1905 centimeters. There's 75 sheets in here, and it was $4.99 for this. Got that. Then for my rainbow bands, I picked up this caddy here that you can put the rainbow bands in and separate the colors. This was $2.99, I believe, and it just opens up here. This way. Yeah, there it opens this way. As a little individual, and they're not. You can't pick them out and reposition them. They're just sectioned off, and that's it. But that's fine. It's just my purpose. Look at that. Also, we got these Mosaic Accents glass gems. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on like a crackle effect on these things to make them look like a glass that's cracked on one side, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on these in the future. So I picked up these glass gems at the Hobby Lobby today. And while I was there, I'm starting to collect my stuff for my next tie-dye session, because I'm going to tie-dye some hats that I got and some t-shirts that I'm going to get. So I picked me up a soda ash. I know some t-shirts say you don't need to use the soda ash, but I always do because it brings out the color really well in the shirts, and the color stays really well through washes if you use the soda ash. And it's really not that expensive. I think this was like $5 or $6 for this package, and you get 2 packages of soda ash in it, and some gloves and a drop cloth and stuff, so it's not that expensive to use, and it really is worth it to use the soda ash. So I picked up one of the soda ashes to use for my next tie-dye, and I'm getting my stuff slowly together so that way it's not all that expensive one time, because it does cost a lot for the t-shirts and does cost a lot for the dyes, so it's not all big one expensive one time. So I'm starting to get my stuff together for that. Then on the 90% off clearance rack, they had these were $3.49, so these were 35 cents a piece. These little pedestals. I thought these were kind of cute. And they had them in red, white, and blue, and I picked up the white. I figured I could use these for a DIY project or whatever. So I picked up 2 little pedestals. And they are porcelain. Then I picked up this this craft ribbon, red, white, and blue craft ribbon, and it was $2.99, so it was 29 cents. Then I got these little pinwheels, picks. There was 2 of them, and they were $2.99, so they were 29 cents. And then I also picked up these little blossom, like firework little things. And these were $1.89 a piece, and I picked up 3, so they were, what, like 19 cents a piece. And I got 3 of them. And I picked up those 3. And then I also picked up these little firework picks. There's 3 to a pack, and these were $4.99, so they were 50 cents a piece. I picked up 2 of them. So they were 50 cents a piece. And then I got these little star picks. These were $3.99, so they were 39 cents. There's 2 of them in there, I believe. And that was it. That was the haul from Hobby Lobby. I didn't get much, but it was a cute little haul. And I didn't spend much. I just picked up a few of the essentials that I'm needed for right now. And that was that. So I appreciate you sticking around for the haul and see what I had. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. Catch you on the flip side. Hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing today. Leave me ideas that can help boost my channel ratings or ideas for future content on the channel. Click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos out or when I go live. Share my videos on social media outlets such as Facebook or Instagram, so that way my videos can reach more people and I can grow my audience. Click the like button below. That really helps my channel to help reach more people on YouTube. Supporting me is really great, and it helps me grow my channel. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it's really important to me that I get support from fellow YouTubers. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate that you take time out of your busy day to view my videos and to spend time with me on a daily basis. I try to put videos out on a daily basis so you have something to watch and something to entertain yourselves with. I try really hard to make my channel a positive place for people to come and have fun and be entertained. So I try really hard to make things enjoyable for people. So if you support me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side.